Okay, so we are live now. I'm going to do an example that we can put to our classroom page. Negative 6, 5 and negative 2, 5 are both points. We want to do what is the middle between negative 6 and negative 2. The reason I chose those is the negative 6 is an x and the negative 2 is an x. That's why x1, x2. This is y1 and y2. You'll notice point number 1 has x1, y1, and point number 2 has x2, y2. So I asked you before, what's in the middle of negative 6 and negative 2? What we did was negative 6 plus negative 2, cut it in half. Negative 6 plus negative 2 is negative 8, divided by 2 is negative 4. So that's the number in between the two x points. Now what you'll do is the same thing with the y's. What's in between negative 5 and positive 5? A lot of you told me 0, and you did the same thing. This was the middle of the x numbers. And then we find the middle of the y numbers. Negative 5 plus 5, cut it in half. We get 0 divided by 2 is 0. This was the middle of y numbers. Now we just put them together. We have a negative 4 and a 0. That becomes negative 4, 0. So that negative 4, 0 is the midpoint. All right? So that is how we find the midpoint between 2 points.